Want an AI that remembers you like a best friend? xAI just dropped a game-changing memory feature for Grok on April 16th, making it smarter than ever. It's trending huge, rivaling ChatGPT and Gemini with personalized replies. Stick around to see why Grok's new brain is about to level up your chats. What's good, tech fam? Welcome back to GadInsider. Elon Musk's xAI is shaking up the AI world again. On Wednesday, they rolled out a memory feature for their Grok chatbot, putting it neck and neck with giants like ChatGPT and Google's Gemini. Available now in beta on Grok.com in its iOS and Android apps, this update's got X buzzing with fans loving its personalized responses. Let's dive into why Grok's memory is a total game changer. So, what's this memory feature all about? xAI's Grok can now remember details from your past chats, making every conversation feel like a catch-up with a friend who gets you. Ask for movie recommendations, and Grok might suggest Interstellar because you raved about sci-fi last week. Need travel tips? It'll recall you love beach vibes and skip the snowy slopes. This is all thanks to Grok's new ability to store user preferences and context across sessions, rivaling ChatGPT's recent upgrade to referencing entire chat histories. xAI dropped the news on X saying, "Memories are transparent. You can see exactly what Grok knows and choose what to forget. That means full control. Check stored data, delete specific memories with a tap on the web interface, or turn it off completely in the data control settings." It's live in beta on Grok.com and the iOS and Android apps, but EU and UK users are out for now due to GDPR rules. xAI is also working to bring this to Grok on X soon. Why is this blowing up? Grok's memory makes chats feel alive. It's like having an AI that actually knows you. X users are geeking out, with one user saying it's infuriating that Grok couldn't remember chats before, but now it's awesome. This puts Grok on par with ChatGPT, which got a memory glow-up recently, and Gemini, which tailors replies based on past talks. Unlike some AIs that feel like black boxes, Grok's transparency is a win. You can peek out what it's stored and wipe anything you don't wipe with. At a time when AI is getting more personal, xAI's focus on user control is huge, especially after privacy concerns like the Irish DPC's probe into X's data used for Grok training. For creators, students, or anyone who chats with AI daily, this means faster, smarter answers without repeating yourself. It's Grok catching up and maybe even outshining the competition. Alright, let's make it you. Picture chatting with Grok. What's your vibe? Getting tailored recipe ideas because it knows you're vegan? Nailing coding projects with tips based on your last bug? Or geeking out over space facts since you asked about Mars last month? Drop your dream Grok memory moment in the comments.